I really need y'all's help, so I need y'all to stay to the end of this video, please. But welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing a little something to the truck at 350 today, but main purpose of this video is I need you guys' help on deciding on a powder coat color for the F350. But first, we're gonna go ahead and throw these things in. I've been painting lately. You guys can see that there. But if you guys don't know, these are the cab corner caps, whatever you want to call them, for the F350. Probably guys haven't even noticed, but they've been missing since we've gotten the truck, and it looks absolutely horrible. So got these all painted up, and I'm gonna put those on there, make that look good again. And yeah, but I want to update you guys on what's been going on, why I haven't posted anything. I've really just been busy working, haven't had time to make a quality video, if you could say that. But so I want to make this little video, kind of put something up for you guys and tell you guys what's going on, because we have good news on both the wheels and the lift for the 250. She's looking a little down over there. You can see we took the headlights out of it because I don't know, I was just bored. I took the old headlights out because I have the new ones in the house ready to put in, but I'm thinking about bring the truck to get this door repainted. I never really explained about what happened with this door, but basically my truck kind of got egged going down the road one day, and kind of left a, you know, if you guys have ever had a vehicle get egged, you know what kind of damage it kind of does to your vehicle. And then going down the road at 50 to 60 miles an hour and someone throwing an egg, it really kind of damaged the truck. So I'm thinking about going and get that door repainted and a few little rock chips and dents on the truck fixed before we, you know, dive into putting the lift on and everything. Because once we put the lift on, the wheels, tires, I want this truck to be spot on, and everything else from that is just gonna be fine tuning, little touches from here and there from different people. So I'm thinking about getting that taken care of before. But speaking of the lift should be getting shipped today. Today's Monday, February 1st. So happy Black History Month to all my, you know, African American viewers. But yeah, lift should be getting shipped today, Monday, February 1st. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have it maybe by the end of this week. It's not really a rush. I'm really rushing on because I haven't even gotten the powder coat and oven and stuff together yet. So we'll get the lift and we start mocking everything up and test fitting, but I won't be able to powder coat it yet. So I need to start cranking that out and fixing and finishing that oven so we can get that done. The wheels, company did hit me up last week and said they started production on the wheels. So I'm gonna say 2 weeks maybe, the wheels should be shipping. Fingers crossed. I mean, I've been getting to run around with this stuff. It's ridiculous, but fingers crossed, wheels should be getting shipped in about 2 weeks. Because I'm guessing maybe a week. It takes a week maybe to produce them. But yeah, hopefully within about 2 weeks we should be getting the wheels shipped out to us, and we'll have those in our possession as well as the lift. Now I need to order my coilovers and I'm probably gonna build a crossover steering kit for this truck now that we got the welder. Probably build a crossover steering kit. I need to go pick up some metal, some DOM tubing, and some other stuff. So we may build that on the channel. You guys stay tuned for that. Tires. We have the Fury 38 15.5 26s. Now, if anyone out here is watching this video, if you guys are interested in training for 38 15.5 26s or interested in buying them, let me know, or you know someone looking to buy them, because I'm thinking that I'm gonna go with some 40s. I've been looking at other trucks and I'm thinking the size lift that we're going with, it's gonna be around 12 inches. I'm kind of thinking the 38 is gonna look a little small, so I think I want to go with a 40 at least, and yeah, just so we don't be looking, you know, small. So that's up in the air. I don't know. I really don't want to get the wheels mounted and then have to unmount them and then put them on 40s because the wheels are powder coated. So I don't want to risk a shop scuffing the powder coat or ruining it, because I should have just mounted them the first time on the 40s instead of mounting them on 38s and then demounting them and put them on the 40s. So I just don't want to run the risk of someone messing them up. So that's why I'm kind of thinking I should just go ahead and go with the 40s right off the bat. But you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And if you know anyone that has some 40s that in really good condition, because these are brand new. These 38s are brand new, never been mounted, touched, anything. So yeah, drop down below in the comments, let me know what you guys think about that. But lifting tires, well, lifting wheels are soon to be in our hands, guys. And this 250 build will begin to, you know, take shape. You guys have been waiting on it, I know. And so it's gonna start real soon. But as for the 350, let's go ahead and throw these corner caps on real fast, and then we're gonna jump into the powder coating situation and what I need you guys' help on. So to take these bolts out that hold in the seat belt, you need a T45, I wanna say it is, to take out this big thing right here. A T45, and you have to take that out because that's the only way you can get this plastic panel off to get to that corner right there. And the reason you need to get to that, because it has 2 bolts behind it there that you have to take off, and this thing mounts in there like that. Now I know I see a lot of people, they just go away from doing that. They don't even, they'll break those bolts off and tape it to the top of the with 3M instead of even just going this route. I did that on 250 one time. They held, they're still on there actually. Nothing wrong with doing it, but we're gonna do it the correct way this time. And yeah, just go at it from that way. So set you guys up, and we're gonna get these things pulled out. You can see there, these just broke off apparently. And so yeah, we're gonna get these brand new ones put on. The paint on them came out amazing. You can see there, a clear coat laid, awesome. I gotta show you guys the new gun that we have too. Another Harbor Freight gun, but it's it's a step up from the purple $15 Harbor Freight gun. So lays paint really good. Wow, that looks way better, guys. Quick, easy, simple fix. That makes a big difference. So, yeah, let's move on to the main subject of this video. I need you guys' help on picking a powder coat color for the F350. I ordered some swatches from Prismatic. I may still order some more because I didn't exactly get the color exact that I was looking for. I was, you know, trying to match a color online, and then actually getting it in person is completely different. So I may have to make another order, but depending on what you guys think, we may make another order. So I got a lot of colors, a good bit of colors that I do like, but it's not exactly the one that I was looking for. So Wow, looking at them in the sun, it's almost kind of close. But yeah, I'm gonna take 2 out because those 2 are for the 250. But here are our colors, guys. The sun is in the perfect spot right now. It's beaming off of all the colors. It's like a rainbow almost. So the look I'm going for is I want something that one goes with my business's colors, because when I have my lawn trailer and stuff hooked up to this truck, everything will, you know, flow and look really good. So that's point 1. 2 is I want a color that kind of is gonna match the 250, and that kind of narrows our colors down to really just the greens and the blues. So what I mean by the color that I have on the F350, you guys seen my renderings. I have a 3rd color that's in the rendering color on my truck, and that's this right here. That blue is gonna be incorporated into the suspension on this truck, as well as the tan and the blue. So looking at it here, this color looks pretty much spot on with what's on here. So green, yellow, and orange are kind of pretty much out of the equation at this point. If I want to go with something that matches that. But green is in my business's logo, so that was why I got green. But you guys can see we're pretty close on this one right here. That color is actually light anodized blue, and that's pretty darn spot on. I know it looks spot on the camera. It's a shade, maybe a shade or 2 off, but it's pretty close. And these, like Jamaican teal and HD teal, they're a little too dark, but they almost look like they match on camera. But those are actually a little too dark. So I'm gonna just narrow out the teals, take the teals out, and we're gonna drop down to these 3 right here. So the 3 that I'm gonna give you guys a chance to choose from is light anodized blue. That's this one right here. Y'all can see it matches pretty darn well. So light anodized blue, which is a little darker, and sapphire blue, which is this in the sunlight. Definitely you can see it. It almost pretty much matches this in the sunlight, but right now it looks like this light anodized blue is our winner, guys. Let me bring it out in the sun, show you guys what it would look like next to the white on the 350. I'm really looking to do something different, because white, pretty much everybody has done every color out there with a white truck. You can put any color with white, honestly. So I really want something that hasn't been done. Maybe not necessarily blue, but this exact blue. All right, so you guys can't really see the springs or the coils on here, so I'm just gonna try to put it out in the like this. Now, you guys have to remember, sunlight is gonna be a lot lighter in the sunlight, but majority of the time it's gonna be kind of shaded, so you're not gonna really see the full effect. So going with a lighter color would do, you know, wonders with it being in the shade most of the time, because that shade is gonna make that lighter color look darker. As where if we go with a darker color like these two, when it's in the shade, you can't really see it. It's dark. So This is what they look like against the paint. I'm thinking the light anodized blue is our winner, guys, because I'm thinking I might get this and then that's also clear it, put a clear coat over the top of it, which is gonna make it shine a little more and bring out that brushed kind of look. I think that'll look good under the truck as well as in the sunlight. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but I pretty much think I have a winner. It's this light anodized blue. So yeah, I didn't really need you guys' help, I guess, after all, looking at it now, but I still want you guys to go down below, comment what you guys think, or if there is another color that you guys think I should go with on the truck, and we'll consider it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little, I don't know what you want to call it, video, but we have more videos on the way, guys. I'm sorry, it's hectic. I have to get on a schedule. Like, I really have to get on a schedule. So yeah, help me out with that. You guys comment down below as well on, you know, when you guys would like to see videos, like if it's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday type of videos, when you guys actually watch YouTube. So you guys help me out with that, and we're gonna work on trying to get a system and a process going, because it's hectic right now. I have so much stuff going on, and it's just like, yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell if you guys haven't already. I will be announcing what the giveaway will be at 4,000 subs here coming real soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, continue to enjoy the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see more from me on the channel, and we'll make that happen. So you guys have a great, safe day, and yeah, I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.